Could it be that Earth isn't what we've always thought it was? If it's really round, then why does it look flat from where we stand? And if it's flat, then what about all those photos from space? For thousands of years, our minds have been tangled in this one simple but explosive question. Is Earth flat or round? Something that seems obvious today was once a dangerous thing to say out loud. Ever since we looked up at the sky and wondered where we stood in the universe, we've been trying to figure it out. And believe it or not, the path to answering that simple question has been one of the longest and loudest journeys in the history of science. Let's go back about 2,500 years to ancient Greece. That's where the first spark of this scientific debate was lit. Philosophers like Pythagoras and later Aristotle claimed the Earth must be spherical. Their proof? The Earth's shadow on the moon during an eclipse was always curved. And that was one of the earliest pieces of real scientific evidence ever recorded. But even then, many people still believed the Earth was flat. Because when you look at the horizon, it looks completely level. And human perception has always moved faster than scientific measurement. In the 3rd century BCE, a man named Eratosthenes, living in Alexandria, did something incredible. He measured the Earth's circumference using nothing but the sun's shadow in 2 cities, with a stick and some geometry. And amazingly, his result was only off by about 1%. For that time, it was nothing short of a scientific revolution. Yet, after the fall of the Roman Empire, that knowledge slowly faded away. During the Middle Ages, many went back to believing in a flat Earth, as religion and science clashed. Still, Islamic scholars like al-Biruni and Ibn al-Haytham supported the spherical model. Their maps showed a round Earth, with astonishing accuracy for their time. Then came the 15th century, the Age of Discovery. Christopher Columbus set sail westward, betting everything on the idea that Earth was round. And when Ferdinand Magellan's crew finally sailed around the entire globe and came back home, the argument was over. Earth had officially proven itself to be round. But the story didn't end there. With the rise of the 20th century came cameras, and then the space age. In 1961, when Yuri Gagarin looked out the window of his spacecraft and said, "The Earth is blue," everything changed. Satellite images later confirmed it, a glowing blue sphere exactly like Pythagoras imagined thousands of years ago. Still, in the 21st century, the flat Earth idea came back. Thanks to the internet, new groups formed claiming NASA and governments are lying. They say every space photo is fake and that the horizon always looks flat. Believe it or not, a 2019 survey found that about 2% of Americans still believe the Earth is flat. But why? Maybe because humans naturally love to doubt things. Or because too much information makes us trust less, not more. In an age of deepfakes, virtual reality, and endless conspiracy theories, truth has never been harder to spot. And yet, science has never been clearer. Today, satellites constantly track the Earth's rotation. Airplanes use the globe's curvature to plan flight paths. And if you stand on a beach and watch a ship disappear from the bottom up, you're seeing that curvature with your own eyes. A simple truth that's always been there, hiding in plain sight. The round Earth didn't just shape our planet, it shaped our understanding of everything. If the Earth were flat, geography, satellites, GPS, even our weather systems, none of them would exist as they do. Our world would literally make no sense. Still, the flat Earth idea reminds us of something fascinating about the human mind. We see things with our eyes, but we interpret them through belief. And maybe that's what keeps science moving: doubt. Because without doubt, we'd never reach certainty. The Earth might be round, but our minds are always spinning. From Pythagoras to the internet age, one question remains: where does truth really come from? From what we see from science or from trust? And maybe the bigger question is, what else do we believe today that the future will prove wrong? What do you think? Leave a comment. This conversation isn't over yet.